Student C. Question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integer and verify that LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of two numbers. स्टूडेंट यहाँ दिए गए क्वेश्चन में हमें LCM और HCF फाइंड आउट कराना है और उसके बाद हमें ये भी शो करके दिखाना है कि LCM और HCF का प्रोडक्ट उन नंबर्स के प्रोडक्ट के बराबर है. रिलेशनशिप होती थी जो वेरीफाई करनी. नाउ सी द फर्स्ट पार्ट. द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 510. सो 510 के प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन स्टूडेंट क्या होंगे आप देख सकते हैं. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन इसके दैट इज 2 into 3 into 5 into 70. And 92 के प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन स्टूडेंट अगेन यू कैन सी that is 2 into 2 into 23, that is 2 की पावर 2 into 23 की पावर 1. Now the common factor is 2 here and the LCF क्या होगा स्टूडेंट. स्मॉलेस्ट पावर ऑफ द कॉमन फैक्टर्स लेते हैं हम. So here 2 to the power 1 are the smallest power of common factor 2. So HCF of 510 and 92 is equal to 2. Now 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1 and 17 to the power 1 and 23 to the power 1 are the greatest power of the prime factors involved in both the numbers. इन numbers के हम prime factorization देखें तो ये 2, 3, 5, 17, 23 की highest power हमने लिख ली है. So LCM will be क्या होता है highest power of the number involved. So LCM of 510 and 92 is 2 की power 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. That will become 23,460. Now product of two number is 510 into 92 will 46,920 and product of HCF into LCM is 2 into 23,460 will become 46,920. So you can see product of two number is product of HCF and LCM. So relationship is verified. Students see the second part. Number are here 336 and 54. So the prime factorization for 336 you can see is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. That is 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 1. Whereas prime factorization for 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 3. Here 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 1 are smallest power of common factors 2 and 3. So the HCF of 336 and 54 is 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1, that is 6. Now 2 की power 4, 3 to the power 3 and 7 to the power 1 are the greatest power of the prime factors involved of both numbers. So LCM of 336 and 54 is 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3 into 7. That is 16 into 27 into 7. That will become 3024. Now product of the two number is 336 into 54 is 18,144 and HCF into LCM is 6 into 3024, that is also 18,144. So relationship is verified. Question is completed.